Hi children, good morning. Our today's topic is water pollution and purification. We need clean water for our daily activities. What is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. Water bodies include lakes, rivers, oceans, groundwater, etc. Unsafe water kills more people each year. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances, chemicals, or microorganisms contaminate our water bodies. Water is a universal solvent. Water is able to dissolve more substances than any other liquid on earth. So, water is polluted easily. Toxic substances from farms, towns, and factories readily dissolve and mix with it and causing water pollution. How to prevent water pollution or how to reduce water pollution? Reduce plastic consumption and reuse or recycle plastic. Dispose wastes properly. Plant more trees. Conserve water. Only use water that has been properly disinfected for drinking, cooking, washing dishes, and for brushing teeth. Some methods of water purification are boiling, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, and chlorination. Boiling is the safest method of water purification. This is the most used water purification method. It is capable of eliminating microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. It is ineffective on suspended impurities such as sand, dust, and dead insects. We get unsafe water from water resources. So we can boil to make it safe. Allow the water to boil at least 1 to 3 minutes. Boiled water should be covered and left to cool before drinking. Another method of water purification is sedimentation and decantation. This is a type of filtration process for removing impurities. In this method, impurities that do not dissolve in water are separated. How to do this? Do you know? Impure water left undisturbed for some time. The insoluble impurities called sediment settle at the bottom and clean water collects at the top. The clean water is poured slowly into another container. This is called decantation. Let us see decantation. Make a mixture of sand and water. Allow the mixture to stand for some time. Decant the liquid to another container. What is the basic principle of sedimentation? In a solution, particles whose density is higher than that of the solvent sink or sediment, and particles that are lighter than it float to the top. What is filtration? Filter paper is used to separate fine solid particles from liquids. Filtration is a separation process in which the impure water or mixture is passed through a filter that allows one component to pass through and blocks another component. The mixture of mud and water can be separated through this process because water being liquid will pass through the filter paper but the mud will not. What is chlorination? Chlorination is an effective water purification method that kills germs and disease-causing organisms that found in well water or tap water. It is cheap and effective. Chlorine is a powerful chemical that has been in use for many years to treat water for home consumption. Caution should be taken when using chlorine. For example, people suffering from thyroid problems should talk to a medical practitioner before using this. Let's see how to handle water. Water must be stored and handled properly. Vessels containing water must be clean and covered properly. The vessel used to take out water also must be clean. We must not waste water to avoid water wastage. We must follow certain rules. Taps must be closed when not in use. Leaking taps must be repaired immediately. Water used for washing fruits and vegetables can be used to water plants. Install rainwater tanks. Talk to others about water. Use refillable water bottles. Reduce water consumption in the kitchen. Saving water helps to preserve our environment. Saving water saves money. I hope you understood the portion. Thank you.